One of the questions I get asked all the time during my live classes is, how do I start a regular meditation practice? I think one of the reasons why many people struggle with this is because they think that they don't have enough time. The truth is, the more that you meditate, the more you'll extend your lifespan, the less stress and anxiety you'll have, and the more you'll be able to think more clearly and make wiser decisions. And this actually makes you more productive throughout your day, and it also helps you to make better decisions for your future. So here's some tips on how to start a regular meditation practice. All you have to do is to start off with small little meditations. They can be 1, 2, or 3 minutes long to start off with. So in the morning, we can simply get up, sit for a couple of minutes, find a comfortable position, make yourself comfortable, and just start to do little body rotations. So we start with guiding our awareness from the base of our meditation posture to the top of our head, becoming aware of our body, and then all the major body parts, and then simply just tuning in with the breath. Just simply watch your breath. It could be for as simple as 8 breaths. All you have to do is just watch your breath flow in and out. Give your mind freedom to think and just simply watch your breath. All you have to do is something as simple as this for just a couple of minutes in the morning and a couple of minutes late at night. This will start to facilitate a regular practice. So it's much better to do a couple of minutes to start off with in the morning and at night than to practice for a half an hour once a week or an hour once every 3 weeks. And then slowly you can start to increase the time of your meditation. Perhaps go to 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the afternoon. And then over a period of time, you'll find that you'll be able to extend your meditation practice. By doing so, you'll be able to reduce stress and anxiety, you'll be able to think more clearly, and you'll be able to make more wiser decisions that are more focused on a positive, brighter future. So I hope you found this useful. Please leave me a comment, or you could share this with a friend who is in need. Take care. This is Tony Myers. Bye for now.